On Wednesday, tomorrow, the people of Zimbabwe exercise their right to peacefully march or demonstration as provided in our constitution. Both pro and anti Cap 3 marchers, demonstrators will have protection from police Zimbabwe officers. Sanapenda mashoko peaceful demonstrations are scheduled for tomorrow and wachiramba the constitutional amendments. Pane letters that gonna postwa awanana majarajaros from the ZVAITWA which approve these demonstrations. Don't forget subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tivida penda majarajaros zvamurikuona. According to him, anoposta the statements and the Zimbabwe Republic Police wishes to advise the public that it is aware of peaceful protests scheduled for Wednesday, 15 April 2026 across the country. Appropriate measures have been put in place, including the deployment of police officers to ensure the maintenance of law and order and the safety of all citizens. The Zimbabwe Republic Police unequivocally affirms that every citizen has the constitutional right to express themselves peacefully. This right will be respected and protected, provided that it is exercised in a manner that it does not infringe upon the rights, freedom, and security of others. At the same time, the police service will act decisively and without hesitation against any act of violence, disorder, or lawlessness. Any individuals found violating the law will be dealt with in accordance with established legal procedures. The Zimbabwe Republic Police remains steadfast in its commitment to professionalism, impartiality, and institutional independence. The service will not be swayed by the political influence and will continue to discharge its mandate fairly and without fear or favor. While upholding these principles may present challenges, the institution stands prepared to endure such pressures in the interests of justice, accountability, and the preservation of public trust. Do mashikwana chipostiwa pana majarajaro sina comment section medu zofungura any more to deep page it ish. Musawana subscribe or like cheta on the bell icon.